you think? I like this spot. Hello my dear gardening friends. Today in this video we are going to talk about pots. I went to the store yesterday and we have this really discounted store in the neighborhood. It's called Job Lot, and seasonally they provide pots, very inexpensive I would say, because you can spend a fortune on pots. So I know that early in the season it's better to go because you will have a bigger choice, and I really wanted the higher size pot because I like how some plants are going lower, some higher. There is a difference in height and it makes it gives extra interest to the patio. So today we are going to look back how my patio was flowering for the last 2 springs, and we'll keep you updated what's going to happen on my back porch this summer. It amazes me that so many pots for the garden, made specifically for the garden, don't have holes in them. And the beginner gardener, holes at the bottom of the pot, they are very important because drainage is extremely important for pots. Majority of plants cannot grow in waterlogged conditions. And for the health of your plants, I would drill not one, but several of them. We had a light drizzle of a rain today in the morning. Oh, this one has a hole. Okay, let's see. Looks good. The only thing I have against these pots, they are very light and artificial looking, but it is up to the consumer. The beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. For me, because I live in the climate with cold winters, I do need pots to be outside overwintering. I don't want to bring them back and forth into the garage and ruin my back. So for me, the option of plastic pots, durable, sturdy plastic pots, would be the best. And I do understand there is a movement against plastic in the garden. But to be honest with you, some of the high quality clay pots are just prohibitively expensive. And they wouldn't be useful in my garden since I would need to bring them inside. They're easily broken. I do have kids in the garden running around with balls and not what. So for now, I went to the store and I invested into durable pots because my pots at the back patio are getting very old, disheveled, starting to crack from the bottom. So this spring I would be repotting everything, reintroducing all the different heights, hopefully, and I like it. And glazed pots can be an option in the garden too, especially when they're pre-treated for cold weather. I really don't like very colorful pots. I think that the shining spot should be given to plants, not pots. But again, different gardeners they differ in their likes, and some people do love colorful pots, not me. So maybe I'm going to go and age these pots deliberately with a paint or something. But that's probably the job for another day, because it is cold today outside and I'm not really ready to spend a lot of time. I just want to organize these pots and they would be ready to be planted. By the way, I received all my annuals and perennial seeds in mail today. Look at this, at these pots. Aren't they lovely? Beautiful. They're going to raise my containers here, and if I will put one container up, another container down, the difference in height will create beautiful design. And you know what? The imitations in plastic is getting better and better. Just look at this. It's a beautiful, sturdy, thick plastic. I'm sure it's going to serve me for a long time. My skinny pots with very thin plastic will serve me for 10 years. So at least 10 years, these pots are going to serve me. And they look very aged. I'm happy with this imitation. They look like maybe old concrete. And if I will have time, maybe I will go ahead and I will age at some point. Will age them even more with my kids' paints, you know, with acrylic paints. Let me just drill a hole here. Okay. I think I'm going to have so much fun planting these plants out and finding them a nice arrangement in my back patio. I am looking at gardeners in southern parts of United States, and they are planting galore. Well, not here yet. We are still sitting and reading books near the fireplace.